Welcome friends to Sheetal's World of Recipes. Today we are going to make traditional Gari Rotli, also known as Puran Poli. It is one of the sweet dessert of many parts of India. This traditional Gari Rotli is either made from Tuvar dal or Channa dal. Today we are going to see how to make with the use of Tuvar dal. Also we are going to make Dry-Fruit Kesar Gari Rotli. Let's see the ingredients. We need 1 cup tuvar dal. Here I have taken dry tuvar dal without the castor oil. 1 cup jaggery, that is good. The measurement is always 1 cup tuvar dal and 1 cup jaggery. It also depends on how sweet you want. 2 cups wheat flour. We need water around 3/4 cup. 4 tablespoon oil. Half teaspoon cardamom powder, that is elaichi. 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder, that is jaifar powder. 1/4 cup ghee. For dry fruits, here I have taken pistachio 25 to 30 pieces, almond 20 pieces, and 10 stems of kesar. You can also take cashews or your favorite dry fruits. First, we will boil the tuvar dal. Wash the tuvar dal and add around 1.5 cup water. We need the thick consistency, so we will not add more water. Put it into the pressure cooker and we will cook for about 3 to 4 whistles or depends on the quality of the dal. Let the cooker cool down and then open. Soak the saffron in half teaspoon of water. Once the cooker cools down, we will open it. We can see that our tuvar dal has been cooked very nicely and it is also quite thick. Take thick bottom pan or non-stick pan. Add boiled tuvar dal in the pan and keep on the low flame. Add 1 cup jaggery, good in it. Mix everything well. Keep on stirring on the low flame until jaggery melts and the filling becomes thick. Keep on scraping from around the pan or it will dry up. Our filling is almost ready. To check the perfect thick consistency, put the spoon in middle. It will not fall. That means our filling is ready. Remove our filling in a bowl and add 1/4 teaspoon of jaifar powder, half teaspoon of elaichi powder and mix everything well. Now we will split our filling in half, one for the traditional puran puri and other for the dry fruit. For the dry fruit puran puri, we will add 3 tablespoon almond powder, 2 tablespoon of pistachio powder and the soaked saffron in that is half teaspoon and we will mix everything well. Keep both the bowl aside and let it cool down. Now we will knead the dough for puran puri, gari rotli. Take 2 cups of wheat flour, add 3 tablespoon oil in the dough. Mix the oil. Add water slowly and knead the dough. It should not be very hard or very soft. So add water little by little and keep on kneading the dough. Our dough is ready. Now coat the dough with 1 tablespoon oil and close it with the lid. Let it stand for at least 30 minutes. Our stuffing has been cooled down and now we will make round ball from it. Take around 2.5 tablespoon of filling and make round ball like this. To make puran poli, heat the griddle or tawa on the low flame. Now take dough around 2-inch ball, dip it into the flour. Let's make the puran poli. Using rolling pin, roll into small thick flat puri kind of shape. Place the stuffing in the center and fill it with the dough. Remove the excess dough. Sprinkle some flour on top of the dough and roll very gently. If needed, sprinkle some more flour and roll. Keep puran poli thick so one can enjoy the taste of the delicious filling. Our puran poli is ready. Now we will put it on tawa. Dust off the extra flour and cook it around 2 minutes or until light brown dots appear. Flip it and cook it on the other side. Once it is cooked on the other side, put around 1 teaspoon ghee on it and on the edges and roast it very gently or the stuffing will come out. Make sure both sides are cooked properly. Our puran puri gari rotli is ready to serve. Repeat the same step for rest of our puran puri. Friends, now you can easily enjoy the traditional Gari Rotli Puran Poli at your home. It's very easy to make if you follow all the steps and tips. Just make sure that when you cook tuvar dal, don't add lot of water. We need thick consistency, so add accordingly. Now you can also enjoy dry fruit kesar Gari Rotli Puran Poli along with the traditional Gari Rotli. Friends, for the new and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel, Sheetal's World of Recipes, like and share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.